Got a craving for something crispy and flavorful? Time to whip up some onion pakoda. First, slice up some onions thin and even for that perfect crunch. Now, in a bowl, mix gram flour, rice flour, salt, and your favorite spices. Think cumin, coriander, and a pinch of chili powder for that kick. Add your sliced onions and a bit of water to the mix, just enough to bind everything together. Heat oil in a pan, and once it's hot, drop spoonfuls of the mixture in. Fry till they're golden brown and crispy. Drain on paper towels and voila. Serve hot with a tangy chutney or ketchup. Perfect for rainy days, gatherings, or just because. Make your own onion pakoda today and share your creations with #onion pakoda. Happy snacking!